In this guide, we are going over the complete Whitesnake evolution so that you can unlock C Moon and God tier Made in Heaven here in Bizarre Lineage. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you're obviously going to need to go ahead and get yourself Whitesnake. You can farm stand arrows from raids, quests, world events, and group spawns, and increase your worthiness by leveling strength and power stats to improve your roll odds. Next up, go ahead and get to level 50 and save 10,000 cash, and from here take the bus stop 10 to enter the hospital, talk to the archmage, and confirm your first prestige. It's going to reset your stats, but it will unlock heaven questline and some extra storage as well. From here, what you need to do is go ahead and equip Whitesnake and teleport to bus 18. This is going to be that graveyard gate. Just head to the chapel, turn left into the castle room, and talk to Poochie, the cultist priest. Accept the journey to heaven questline and begin the C Moon path. And you need to defeat every boss except Abdul 3 times at S grade to unlock C Moon. You're also going to need to win 20 ranked 1v1 PvP matches and complete the Dio and Kira raids 3 times at S rank. Not to mention, you also have to clear 3 world events. There's a lot of prerequisites, but once you do that, return to Poochie, you'll evolve into C Moon, mastering gravity, and now for Made in Heaven, you just have to farm 7 Dio bones from Dio raids and legendary chests and then turn them in. Then do solo SSS grade every boss 3 times and win 15 world events. Speak to Poochie 1 final time and unlock Made in Heaven, and that is it. You can also awaken it at level 120. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.